All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about Ankr cryptocurrency. Now, this cryptocurrency is actually up about 20 some percent, 21% in the last 7 days. A lot of buzz, a lot of things going on. It's around the 93rd top cryptocurrency in the world. So it's in the top 100, which is fantastic. So we're going to be talking about Ankr today. We're going to do a little deep dive into that. Also, Odell Beckham, who plays for the Los Angeles Rams, well, he's decided to take his salary in Bitcoin. So we're going to dig into that. So we got NFL players taking their salaries in Bitcoin, but he's also giving away $1 million of Bitcoin to fans. So pretty interesting on that. And last thing, big corporations are buying huge amounts of Bitcoin with the prices being down. Like $414 million in Bitcoin purchases. I'm going to dig into that. So 3 good things to talk about. Little Ankr cryptocurrency. What's going on with that? It's up right now. Little Odell Beckham taking some Bitcoin for his salary, and big corporations are buying Bitcoin with the coronavirus, his new variant out right now. Crypto's down, people are buying. So all kinds of good stuff going on in this episode today. So definitely strap in for this one. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on the channel is to help every single person on this planet learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, maybe one day own cryptocurrency, at least be able to look at the charts and understand it and everything else. Don't forget to share this with your friends. We want everybody to know about this. And with that, let's head over to Ankr. All right, over here at Coin Market Cap, right here, Ankr is number 93. It's up about 19% right this second in the last 7 days. It's traded for about 15 cents. In the last 24 hours, it is down, but overall, in the last 7 days, this coin is up. Number 93, already in the top 100. So over here to the right, again, being traded around 15 cents. It's down about 4.8% in the last 24 hours. Here's what's been going on in the last 7 days. So in the last 7 days, this token was around 12 cents. So here we go, 12 cents, and it's 12 cents, and it's 12 cents for a good amount of time, 12 cents. And then all of a sudden, like the rocket ship, boom, it pops up, does a little up and down thing, boom, pops up again. And now it's back down a little bit, but it's way, way higher than the 12 cents. It's at 15 cents. It appears to be down by 5%. But again, if you look at this chart, we know that this chart overall, it's up 20% in the last 7 days. All right, over here at the website, ANKR.com, it says Multi-Chain Foundation for Crypto Economy. ANKR is the only platform that combines node, infrastructure, staking, DeFi, and making development and earning easy. Your next step in crypto starts here. And you have 2 options at the bottom here. It says I'm a crypto investor or I'm a developer. Now, if we click I'm a crypto investor, it's going to take you to ANKR, Ankr Stake FI. So Ankr Stake FI, Internet Bond Launchpad. Connect your staking rewards with DeFi. Why stake with Ankr? Ankr's ETH2 staking solution provides the best user experience and the highest level of safety, combined with an attractive reward mechanism and instant staking liquidity through a bond-like systematic token called AETHC. You have the micropools, the staking manager, staking liquidity, security. So right there you got a nice little video on it. So staker, you can stake your coins and you're going to get rewards back. Pretty awesome, everybody. Clicking the holders, clicking 3 months. So I just want to go over the holders real quick before I switch to our Odell Beckham. So if we go down to September 7th, there was 26,000 people holding this token. September 6th here. And if we go all the way to November 28th, right now there's 30,000 people holding the token. So from 26,000 to 30,000, we got about a 10% increase in about 60 days. So pretty fantastic right there. Also, another point is there's less holders of Ankr than there are the AMP token. And this coin is up right now. So everybody's always looking for those coins or those cryptocurrencies that are, up and coming. Well, right here, there's not a lot of holders. With 30,000 holders, just to do a comparison, AMP token basically has about 52,000 holders. That's, almost double, not quite. Shiba Inu has about 700,000 holders. Litecoin has about 4.3 million holders. And Dogecoin has about over 4 million holders. So 4 million, Shiba 700,000, AMP token 54,000. And here we got Ankr with 30,000. If this token gets as popular as Shiba or as popular as Dogecoin or as popular as any of these other ones, and you happen to get in when basically a lot of people don't know about it, that's doing a pretty good thing. Now remember, all our information is for educational purposes only on this channel. Let's switch over to Odell Beckham getting paid in Bitcoin. So right here is Odell Beckham. It says NFL wide receiver Odell Beckham Jr. is taking his salary in Bitcoin, and he plans to give away $1 million worth of crypto to his fans. It says NFL wide receiver Odell Beckham Jr. is taking his new salary in Bitcoin. He used to play for the Browns, and now he's just got traded to the Rams. The player also plans on giving away $1 million worth of crypto to his fans who comment on his tweets. It's the start of a new era. I'm looking forward to the future. You know, a couple things. You know, Beckham signed a one-year deal with the Rams, and he was released by the Browns. He's 29 years old, and he's going to be a high-profile figure expressing support for the digital asset. So right there, we got Odell Beckham accepting his salary in Bitcoin. Now, isn't that interesting? You got Tom Brady basically, you know, he's getting into something with FTX, and he's calling around, and he's doing a trade, and everybody thinks the trade is he's getting traded, but no, he's actually doing a cryptocurrency trade. So you got Tom Brady getting into crypto. Fantastic. You got Odell Beckham taking his salary in Bitcoin, and he's going to be giving away $1 million to his fans following his tweet. So more people are going to follow his tweet because fans are going to get Bitcoin. You know, the new future, which he was talking about. That's pretty interesting. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. What do you think about fans and celebrities taking their salary in Bitcoin and giving it to fans? Tom Brady gave a Bitcoin to the fan that caught his 600 touchdown about 3-4 weeks ago. So all kinds of crazy stuff going on with cryptocurrency. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Ankr token, ANKR Crypto. A lot of good things going on with Ankr. Let's go ahead and head over to this one article. Corporations buying all kinds of Bitcoin while the prices are down. And it says right here, Bitcoin's biggest corporations investors buy another 414 million as this new corona variant puts crypto prices under a serious pressure. Now, Topline MicroStrategy, the data analyst firm held by billionaire crypto bull Michael Saylor, announced another big investment in Bitcoin on Monday morning, doubling down on the staggering commitment to the world's largest cryptocurrency that nearly fell by 15% correction this month in threat of the new coronavirus variant. Oh boy, Bitcoin is in trouble because of the coronavirus variant. You know, the Virginia-based MicroStrategy, which owns more Bitcoin than any other corporation in the world, disclosed that it purchased another 7,002 Bitcoins for 414 million in cash, roughly 59,000 a coin. Oh god. The company says it now holds approximately 121,044 Bitcoins, purchased for nearly 3.6 billion.